Hello everyone. Hi, I am Japneet and I welcome you to my channel Aspire Knowledge. And today we are going to do synonyms. Synonyms is a topic of vocabulary. This will enhance your vocabulary to communicate in day-to-day life. Now let's see what are synonyms. Synonyms are words having a similar meaning to another word. In other words, same meaning words. For example, start, begin, commence, and initiate. All these are synonyms of each other. These words can be used in place of each other. So, basically synonyms ऐसे words हैं जिन्हें similar words कहते हैं या similar meaning words कहते हैं और ये एक दूसरे की जगह पर यूज किए जा सकते हैं. So to enhance your vocabulary or to impress someone, you can use various words for one word. Like start, begin, commence, initiate means the same. So I can say my session started on 1st April 2020, or I can say the session commenced on 1st April 2020. So both words means the same. So I can use them to enhance my vocabulary and also to show that I know more words which are similar to one word. Now let's see the list of synonyms. This list of synonyms is a general list. There are so many words in English that have synonyms, but I have given few of them here. You can check out my other vocabulary videos in which I am giving various synonyms for one word. Firstly, admit, confess, agree, consent, allow, permit, answer, response, arrive, reach, annual, yearly, area, locality, assistance, help, admire, like, aim, goal. Now moving to next chart. Buy, purchase, bear, tolerate, beautiful, pretty, brave, bold, blank, empty, chilled, cold, change, alter, call, shout, correct, accurate, choose, select. Now some more synonyms. Cheat, deceive, damage, hurt, dead, lifeless, decay, rot, delicate, fragile, different, unlike, defeat, lose, enough, sufficient, enemy, foe, enlarge, expand. Now moving on to next chart. Encourage, support, freedom, liberty, fetch, bring, funny, comical, form, shape, faith, trust, find, locate, forgive, pardon, glad, happy, gentle, tender. Now some more synonyms so that you can enhance your vocabulary, right? So glad, happy, genuine, real, hard, difficult, hate, dislike, honest, truthful, idea, thought, income, revenue, interesting, exciting, insane, crazy, job, livelihood, joyful, delighted, jumble, scrabble, keen, alert, lucky, fortunate, learn, memorize, lavish, luxurious, loyal, faithful, minute, little, mistake, error, mend, repair. Now moving on to some more vocabulary. Notice, observe, neat, clean, nice, pleasing, ordinary, common, odor, smell, plenty, many, pleased, cheerful, root, weigh, small, tiny, sick, ill. Next chart, sleepy, drowsy, sleep, nap, tired, exhausted, unite, join, victory, win, vacant, empty, wide, broad, quiet, silent, question, inquire, wise, smart. So these were the synonyms of few words I have given, but there are thousands and thousands of words in English. You can find their synonyms, but I cannot mention all those words in single video, so I have tried to incorporate some main words you use in your day-to-day life. Now let's practice what we have done in the video. We have done synonyms, so let's see that have you received all the knowledge I have given to you? Have you memorized it? So let's see by doing that in the form of practice. So question 1, circle the pairs of the words in each row that are similar in meaning to each other. So here I am going to give you a row of words in which you have to find two words which are similar to each other. That means they are synonyms of each other. So let's see. First one, high, huge, low, big. So what are the synonyms of each other? Are huge and big in this sentence. Second, bold, timid, easy, brave. Here, bold and brave are synonyms. Poor, rich, healthy, wealthy. What are the synonyms here? Rich and wealthy. Easy, difficult, hard, medium. Difficult and hard are synonyms. Loyal, cheat, honest, faithful. Loyal and honest are synonyms. Long, short, small, enough. Short and small are synonyms. Slow, brisk, regular, fast. So here brisk and fast are synonyms. Fool, clever, simple, intelligent. So here clever and intelligent are synonyms. Next, same, praise, different, appreciate. In this, praise and appreciate are synonyms. In the last row, scared, brave, frightened and weak. Here, scared and frightened both are synonyms. So now you can see the words in the circles are synonym of each other in the single row. Alright, now just let's move on to the next question. So here I have mentioned next question where you have to find the word from the crossword which is synonym to the words given here. So you can see these words. These words have their synonym in this crossword. So you have to find those words and circle them, and also you have to write them in the blank. Let's see. First one, award. Award. What is the synonym of award? Prize. So we are going to write prize in the blank. Gift. Present. So here we write present in the blank. Hit. Strike. So there is a now tender, tender is soft. We are going to write soft in the blank. Now delicious. So let's see, tasty. Yes, synonym of delicious is tasty. Let's find out the synonym of calm. It's peace. So we are going to write peace in the blank. Loud. So now let's find noisy. Yes, noisy is the synonym of loud. Now let's find the synonym of dusk. Let me find it for you. Yes, it's evening. So synonym of dusk is evening. So now you can see we have found all the synonyms of the words given here. So I want to tell you one main point about synonyms, that synonyms are the same meaning words. words are different but they mean same, and you can use them in a sentence to replace each of them with another. And also you can say that synonym is also the meaning of the word. Like award means prize, gift means present, hit means strike, tender means soft. So it is also the meaning of the word given here. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and please do like, share and comment in the comment section so that I can know whether I am making right content for you or not. And please do subscribe my channel for more updates about the videos I am making. And if you want me to make some kind of special videos for you, the topic you need to learn, I can make that for you. So please do comment in the comment section. Bye bye, take care, stay safe and stay healthy.